Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the bulb on your 09 Subaru Outback. I just got back from the auto parts store and I picked up a pack of two. And the part number on that is 7443. That's the bulb that you're going to need for this. And I paid $9.48. You can get them online for $5 and up or so. And I'll put a link down below to show you where you can get those even cheaper. But again, this is one of those things that you need right now, so I have to do it. I pretty much know it's the bulb because I can actually look down inside here and I can see that the bulb is kind of black and burnt out. So let's go ahead and step by step, and I'll show you how to remove this rear tail light and replace the bulb. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, there's not a whole lot to this. First of all, there's going to look like two Phillips screws, one here and one here. They're not Phillips screws. They look like it, but they're basically just plugs. If you try to turn those, they're not going to really do much. If you can get that started ever so slightly, it's basically a plug. So I'll do the same thing down here. I'm just going to turn it just enough. Don't put any pressure on it, just so you can pull it out a little bit. Then take either a screwdriver or a pair of needle nose and kind of pull that right out of there. And then that's all that is. It's nothing real fancy. Do the same thing with this one. They don't always come out that easy. The other side, when I did there, actually the pin came out of the plug itself. And I had two pieces like this. And don't be alarmed. All this does is it pushes inside here, pushes these little tongs out, and pushes pressure against the sides and keeps the plate here from falling out. This doesn't hold the taillight in. This is just a protective cover to hide the screws and so forth. All right, then take a flat screwdriver, and what you want to do is you want to get in behind here ever so slightly and pull this out just a little bit, this piece of plastic, and you should be able to pull that away like that. All right, and that's what's kind of hiding the screws and protecting them. Set that off to the side, and you're going to have a 10mm socket, 10mm bolt. Just loosen that up a little bit. Do the same thing to the bottom one, and then if you want, you can take your screwdriver and spin those out a little bit quicker than using the ratchet. Go ahead and pull those out. Just make sure you know where you're putting your screws. Set them down. Bolts, I'm sorry. Pull that out. Now when you pull this light out, you want to pull this light out towards you. Don't bend it that way or this way. Just pull it straight out. Just wiggle a little bit and it should pop right out. Now the brake light, that's what we're going to work on. Just turn this counterclockwise, and you should reveal the bulb. Just kind of wiggle that bulb end to end a little bit. It should pull right out of there, and there it is. And it's obviously blown. You can see how black it is. Go ahead and get your new one. Just kind of set this off to the side. You're not going to hurt it by letting it hang down. All right, then take your new bulb and just push it into place, just like that. Now these bulbs here are not as critical as your headlight bulbs, but I still like to wipe these down because of the oils that may be on your hands. So wipe that down. And then go ahead and snap it back into place, turn it, and now you're all set. So now just reverse the process. Now putting this back in, you want to make sure that you line up this little spacer here lines back up into the plastic. You want to just kind of put that in there like that, and just kind of push it straight in, and there you go. Go ahead, put the 10mm bolts back in. Again, I'm going to use the screwdriver just to get them snugged in there, and then I'll use the 10mm socket. And now I'll just kind of snug it, just a little bit. Don't crank right down on it. Just like that, like that. Go ahead and put that protective cover back on. This little lip right here, you want to make sure that it goes up underneath right here. Kind of slide it in there like that. Should set right in. Pull that piece out as far as you can, like that. Go ahead and push that in. If it comes out, don't worry about it. Just push it right in. Do the same thing with this one. And there it is. Let's go ahead and test it. And that's all there is to it. So I hope this helps you in your Subaru rear tail light malfunction, and stay tuned for the next one.